Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kingsley Shu, and if you're new to my YouTube channel and you've not yet subscribed, you can hit the subscription button below, and you can hit the notification button below also to get notification of my new videos. Okay, so not taking much of your time, today we are going to talk about Udimi. We are going to talk about driving traffic to your business. Okay, so many business people are faced with these problems. Okay, they don't know how to bring traffic to their business. They have good products, but they don't know how to bring traffic to this business and to sell this business. Okay, so today we are going to look at Udimi. Udimi is a platform, it's a website which offers which give businesses this opportunity to drive traffic to their business. Okay, so what's Udimi all about? So this is Udimi. As you can see, I've logged into my account in Udimi. If you don't have an account with Udemy, I've left a link below. You can go and click this link and you register for yourself an account with Udemy if you want to drive traffic to your business or to your offers or to your products. Okay, so you can click the link below and you can register for yourself an account with Udemy. Okay, so when you log into your account, after creating your account, this is your dashboard. Okay, this is how it looks like when you come into Udemy. And directly, if you're looking to buy adverts, so you're looking to buy ads from solo sellers, solo ad sellers, okay, you will come to find sellers. Okay, you will click on find sellers. Okay, so when you click on find sellers, you will be redirected to a page where there are all these sellers with solo ads. Okay, so now you come to this filter here. This is a filter where you would want to filter or look for the best solo ad sellers. Okay, so here you have the maximum price range. Okay, so the maximum price range here is set at 95 cents. Okay, you can just leave it at 95 cents. You have the niche. Which niche is your product? Are you talking about health and fitness? Are you talking about sports? Are you talking about finance, coaching, anything? Okay, you come here and you search the niche. Okay, but I just leave it at any niche. Okay, so you have ratings. Here it's set to 100 plus, which means the seller of the solo ad must have 100 plus ratings. Okay, so at least for me that's the minimum, but if you want, you can set as you wish, 200 plus, 300 plus ratings. Okay, so but I just left 100 for me, and I think that's the minimum. So you will come to got sales. Okay, you want to choose a seller that has at least minimum, let's say 10% sales, 20% sales, 30% sales, 40% sales, 50% sales. You want to choose any. So I usually leave at 30%, or I leave it at 40% sales. Okay, so here you want to change this to find sellers with sales, or you want to find sellers with ratings, whatever you want. Okay, so I just leave it at sales with this button down. You want to find sellers who can start your work, or who can start sending out your messages to their email list within a given period of time. Maybe you want them to start sending out emails to their list within 24 hours, within 48 hours, within 3 days. Anyone you choose is up to you how you want. But most times I usually want them to send as soon as possible, like 4 days, except they say they are not available within this period of time. Then you can go on to the next seller who can deliver, who can sell you clicks within the time range you want. Okay, so on the left hand side here, this is your home page. This is your orders, which orders you've made before. Okay, so this is my page. I have made orders before with these sellers. As you can see, I ordered from this seller 100 clicks, so he delivered 110. Okay, so that I ordered 100 and he delivered 110. So that's just basically it. Okay, so that's it about orders. Messages, these are the messages you have with your sellers. Okay, so here you can go into your message section, and you can go through the messages you've been communicating with your sellers. Okay, so these are a few messages I've been communicating with. And you can communicate with your sellers. So let's go back to our dashboard to see. So you have money. Maybe you're an affiliate with Udimi, and this is where you have you can click and you can see how much money is in your account in Udimi. Okay, so friends, maybe these are, you become friends with the sellers, and this way you can see which people you've made friends with on Udimi. Okay, settings. This is where you click on settings, and you can set up your account. If anything is wrong, your name, your email address, your profile link, your affiliate link, you can copy and you can send to other people. You can refer people to come to Udemy to buy solo ads and so on and so on. So that's it about that's just basically it about Udemy. Okay, so we are not going to go into all these details like opt-in, tracking, notifications, all this. It's not necessary for now. Okay, so you just want to get a seller. You want to know how you can find people who can bring traffic to your business. Okay, you want to buy. So so now let's since we've already set up what we are looking for, maximum price, got sales 40%. So now let's so now it shows I'm no seller for this criteria. Okay, so we will need to change something so that we can see the sellers available. Let's click down here, all country, all countries. You can choose from which country the traffic source should come from. Okay, but so I usually choose top tier countries like USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia. You can leave it to all countries. It all depends on you. You can choose last scene. Here is you want to find for sellers who are online now, or last seen within 24 hours or within the week. Okay, so you can select that criteria. List verification. At least this is where you want to check if the list is verified by Udemy, or you can just leave it at all lists. Okay, ID verification. Maybe you want to choose all IDs, or you want to choose only sellers who are verified on Udemy. Okay, so I usually leave it at all, because I want to get the maximum of I want to get the most of all sellers, because you don't know which seller can deliver good leads, and so you just want to leave it on all sellers location. So I just leave it to sellers location too, because there are sellers from other countries who can deliver good leads. Okay, repeat orders. You want to choose sellers with let's say repeat orders of 15%. Okay, or you want to choose sellers with repeat orders of 10%. Okay, let's leave it at 0%. So maybe we'll come here again and we'll do some little bit changes. Let's bring this got sales a little bit down to 30%. Okay, so you see we brought it down to at least 30%. Okay, so now we have a list of sellers here. So you can see these are sellers. They would drive traffic to the product you're promoting, or they'll drive traffic to your business. Okay, so let's take this seller, for example, Thomas Freeman. He has 218 likes. Okay, which means 218 people who bought solo ads from him, like his services. Okay, 36% sales. Okay, price per visitor he sells is at 43 cents. Okay, so 27 repeat orders. Okay, so in the last 2 hours, so that's not bad for him. So you always want to check this. Okay, you always want to go for a seller who has a high approval ratings. Okay, so it's very important. This is very important, because the more the approval ratings, it means the seller, he can bring good leads. Okay, so that's very important. You should take note of that. Here you want to click on this button and to see how many visitors, or the minimum visitors he can send to your business, or to your offer, to your product. Okay, so you can click on this link. When you bring it to your right, you see it increases the number of visitors. When you bring it to your left, it decreases the number of visitors, and so that's same for the price below here. Okay, so let's see, when now it's set at 57 for $57. for 125 visitors. Okay, so when we bring it to the right here, when you click and bring it to the right here, you see how the price increases from 100 and 122, 122. So that's how you want to select. It depends on your budget. Okay, so base filter here below, it's maybe it's just like normal filter, just leave it at base filter. Here you have only mobile. Maybe you want him to drive traffic to people who are only on their mobile phones, only on top tier countries. Top tier countries, like I said before, United States, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. No mobile. Maybe you just want him to send traffic only to people who are on their desktop. Okay, because maybe your business will require people to check it out on their desktop, not on their mobile phones. Prime filter. Prime filter, it's a filter setup where traffic is sent only to basically top tier countries, approved or verified by us. Okay, so you can click on prime filters, but sometimes when you click on prime filter, you can see below, you click on prime filter, the price increased from 57 to 61. Okay, when you click, you can see it comes back to 57. When you choose prime filter, it increases. So it's a price they set up for their prime filters. Okay, so it depends on your budget, as I said before. You can now add to cart and you can proceed and purchase your solo ad formula. So here, this is the text. This is a text I wrote myself. Okay, so you can contact any seller who provides these services, and you can create a text for you, or you can create the text for yourself. Okay, so this basically I created it by myself. So if you want, sometimes some sellers, they put this service on their page. Okay, on their advert page, you can just click and add it. Okay, so that's just basically it. And when also you can come here, come to solo deals. You can come to solo deals and you will see you can come to solo deals and you see sellers, different sellers. If you don't want to find sellers through the filter method I just showed before. And here you can come to extras. Yeah, if you want a seller to write a text for you, you can click there. And if you want a seller to create a landing page or a capture page for you, so that's basically it for Udimi, and that's what they can give you as percentage of commission as an affiliate. So that's just it for today, and I think I've just explain to you the basics about Udimi. The more you use Udimi, the more you get acquainted with it, and the more you have experience selecting sellers of solo ads, and maybe you get quality traffics to your business and to your product you're offering. So that's just it today, and I'll be dropping new videos. You can click the subscription button, or you can click the notification bell, and you get notified when I do. I've left the link below where you can click on the link and you register for yourself an account. If you don't have a budget, you can just go to Facebook and you start driving ads through Facebook or through YouTube or through Instagram. Okay, so it all depends which you want, and so that's it for Udimi, and that's it for this video today, and I wish to see you on the other side of success. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.